दी है दिल की मेहमान किसे किसे पुकारिए. Hi there, how you doing? This is Jasleen Kapani. On your screens, YouTube, social media. I'm trying so hard to not be on it and stuff, and I think I've succeeded in controlling myself and stuff and all. So, what was that song all about? And I was sitting here. Can you imagine the scene? I was sitting here and thinking that you go on the streets of international countries, or you're on the street of CP, Connaught Place, and you find so many musicians and creative people sitting on the street singing and stuff and creating music and joy, and people kind of leave money on the road to kind of show their appreciation and gratitude for the singing and stuff. So I was on the street and stuff. It's not like I'm waiting for someone to throw some cash here and stuff, but what I'm here is to invite you on uh, the occasion of Holi, and in the month of March we are doing a special session of the Delhi Drum Circle at Oxford Bookstore. Oxford Bookstore is in CP. It's pretty easy to reach and stuff. All you got to do is board the metro. Um, if you don't want to drive, and it's very nicely connected and stuff, get off at either Barakamba or at the CP metro station and then walk to the Cha Bar and stuff. On the first floor is this amazing place which is great for music and books, and it's got a nice coffee shop also with international and Indian dishes to enjoy and stuff and all. Nice coffee, nice cocktails, not cocktails, sorry, mocktails and stuff and all that. And they've got some nice beverages. They've got nice sandwiches and hot dogs and stuff to eat and stuff. And the best part is that it's widely visited by tourists all across the country and from the world and stuff, and you can really really chill and let loose and stuff. And when you step out, it's beautiful. The weather is nice and the sun is shining, and then the street is buzzing, so you could do a lot of sightseeing as well and stuff. So this is an invitation for the Delhi Drum Circle. We've got this happening at Cha Bar, Oxford Bookstore. Google it. You can find us on social media. Delhi Drum Circle. Why am I sharing it? I'm sharing it not because I'm getting paid to play music here or create music here, but generally speaking, we are a set of people and a big community of more than 18,000 people all across the country and the world. And we've been getting together since late 2000, 2005, which is about 2007, 2008, 2010, when the Delhi Drum Circle was conceptualized. And since then we've been playing at various functions, embassies, at social events, at festivals, and also for the underprivileged society, children and people and everything. And we've also been playing at cultural get-togethers and stuff at the stadiums and stuff, marathons and all that. And the objective is to have fun. And generally speaking, or originally speaking, Drum Circle is meant to be an open air affair. So we started, and we are still playing many a times in neighborhoods as these. So there are certain parks that are designated, or certain open spaces that we announce and share, and we all get together and we play. अब join कैसे करना है? Join कैसे करना है? कुछ नहीं करना, pay नहीं करना आपको कुछ भी. All you have to do is just get an instrument, or don't even get an instrument. Just drop by and join us. Create your own music, create your own buzz, borrow an instrument, get your own instrument. You could sing, you can dance, you can do photography. You can just let loose and have lots and lots of fun. So I was just thinking, sitting here and I'm doing this thing, and somebody drops in a coin or some money here for me and stuff. So if you really want to keep your spirits going and you want to be rejuvenated and you want to enjoy and stuff, drop in at the Delhi Drum Circle. You can check it on my social media page, Jasleen Kapani on Facebook. I don't think I've shared it on Insta yet. So the official page for Delhi Drum Circle is Delhi Drum Circle only. So Google it, research it, and drop in. And really more than happy to create music together and stuff and all. And you become a part and parcel of a community which is growing, and you make so many friends, and there are so many other pursuits you can be a part of and stuff. And lots of people from our drum circle have got good breaks in the industry, and they've been shortlisted for their music because they got recognized thanks to the Delhi Drum Circle as well. Okay, of course their own talent came into the picture and stuff. Namaste. So I got to scoot, I got to go. jkapani at gmail.com, jashinkapani.im at gmail.com, and Jashin Kapani office at gmail.com. Those are my email addresses. You can reach me, you can write to me, and I'll be more than happy to connect. But best is that you go on to a social media handle and research it for yourself and stuff. Yeah. So dress well, look good, smell good, be ready for a kick-ass fun and all that. And of course, you would be enjoying a less, like I said, at the Oxford Bookstore, Cha Bar. Yeah. Take care. Bye bye. Love and luck. Keep in touch. Thanks.